ènìyàn onílárajà aṣọlọ ènìyàn láṣọrí mi tí mo fi ń bora.
Ojude Oba Festival is an ancient festival celebrated by the Yoruba people of Ijebu-Ode, a town in Ogun State, southwestern Nigeria. This annual festival usually takes place the third day after Eid Kabir, Ileya, to pay homage and show respect to the Royal Majesty, the Awujale of Ijebuland. It is one of the most spiritual and glamorous festivals celebrated in Ijebuland and generally in Ogun State as a whole. Ojude Oba, which means the king's forecourt or frontage, could also be translated as majestic outing. It was formerly a small gathering of the people of the Islamic region, which started over 100 years ago, when the earliest Muslim converts in Ijebu-Ode paid homage to the Awujale of Ijebuland, showing their appreciation for granting them the liberty to practice and observe their religion.
Ara orokun, ara orediye, ọmọ òṣèṣe ni oyoyo. Òyọ̀mọ́yọ̀mọ́ ò tí ń ṣe mí ò lè pani. Ẹ mọ̀ wípé iṣu mẹ́fà ní iṣu Ìjẹ̀bú. Èjì ń jíjẹ, èjì ta ìjẹ. Ó lóríṣà tí bàbá wọn fi méjì tó kú gbọ́. Pàdé mi ní sá lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́. Pàdé mi ní sá. La 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 la.